fishing for
In the water, mate.
yeah, mate.
Just landed a nice nurse shark.
Yeah. We'll check in with you guys later once we catch and find stuff.
Alright, mates. So your man cameraman is gonna have to be narrating this one because the audio is all messed up. Bear did not want to narrate. I don't know why. Just a little tear. Right. So as you can see here, one of the Englishmen on our boat landed a nice nurse shark. About 6 feet long, I'd say. You know, decently big. Then over here we have cameraman. You know, cameraman big strong. So nice nurse shark here. I mean, not nurse shark, mate. I'm so sorry, mate. It's a black tip, but we got a nice one. So yeah, get some nice footage. The tour guide actually has supplied some of this footage while I was reeling it in. It's just wonderful, mate. So yes. Taught him how to use a camera. Pretty epic. Then here, just some more bonus footage from Big Bozrad is the name of the Englishman. And he is like beyond strong, mate, so he raped his black tip, no problem.